What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video review today. My name is Sheldon from Foundation North Vancouver on 1600 Marine, and today we got a pretty sweet video for you. We are going to be reviewing our 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel. This thing is a beast. I love the Hydra blue, that color that it came in with the black accents. I think it looks really sleek and clean. The interior on this is going to impress you. I know that because it impressed the hell out of me. And well, this truck is the one you're going to want. I think it might be a truck of the year. Let's get this video started. All right, everyone, let's get things started right now with the exterior of this truck. I must say this Hydra blue is absolutely gorgeous, especially with all the black accents. All the Ram logos and all the other logos throughout this vehicle are gonna be in black, which is super clean. I love that a lot. The mirrors are in black. We've got our black rims and tires as well, as you can see right here. And it makes its way all the way to the front bumper and grille, all in black with those gorgeous lights. Love those headlights. They look really clean at night. This truck honestly is such a sweet truck. I love the Rebel series. Ram really does a good job with this. It honestly gives me a little bit of a TRX feel. Not far from it. As you can see up here, we've got our 1500 logo with the 5.7 liter. This is a V8, 395 horsepower, absolute beast. Really love these vents at the front. Super clean, very aggressive looking. This truck also sounds very aggressive, and honestly, if you threw an exhaust on it, even lifted it, you'd probably be turning quite a few heads on the road. Let's make our way to the back here. Love the taillights. They look very modern, very clean. We've got massive exhaust pipes on this truck. We'll give you a little test of that in a bit. Just give you a little show there. Chrome exhaust with our Foundation mud flaps, very clean. Black accents throughout the bottom of the vehicle there. Our Ram in black, as well as the Rebel, with kind of like a little bit of a silver outline, which is very clean. I like that a lot. 4x4 all-wheel drive, of course. Ram logo right here in black. All the details, it's honestly very impressive. I'm a big fan of Ram trucks. They don't let you down. Power tailgate. We don't have the bed liner done yet, but when this vehicle is sold, you most likely best bet that we will have that done. We make sure all our trucks come with the bed liner if the customer requests it. And why not? You don't want to scratch this thing. It is a beauty. Yeah, love the way it looks from the outside. I'm curious what you guys think. Comment down below. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's get started with the interior. All right, let's get started on the interior. Was the one thing about this truck that really impressed me. This interior, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, love the Rebel stitching that they did right here in white. Looks so clean. The leather on the seats, very, very nice leather. Very comfortable seats. Driving over here, it was quite a comfortable ride. Door paneling, once again, that very nice leather throughout. Got our lock controls, window controls, mirrors, all that jazz. Steering wheel right here, very nice steering wheel. The material, they did not cheap out on it. Some Ram trucks, the steering wheels I'm not super fond of, but this one was actually really nice. Like I said, it does give you a little bit of a TRX vibe. I love the Rebel branding. They really do a good job with this series of trucks. Got our light controls here, dimmer, parking right there, parking brake, and then we'll show you the screen right here. Rebel, so you know you're driving this beast. As you can see on the odometer, only 25 kilometers. This truck is brand new. I love the way these screens look. The TRX is very similar. Absolutely gorgeous, big fan of it. We got our push start right there, the button, put foot in the brake. Obviously you press the button and then it turns on the vehicle. And then we've got our controls right here for parking, rear, neutral, drive. We got our 4-wheel drive auto, 2-wheel drive, our 4-wheel drive high, and 4-wheel drive low. And then the one thing about this truck that is the most impressive is this 12-inch screen. You cannot go wrong with this thing. Absolutely sick. I love the buttons as well. Sometimes, you know, with these screens nowadays, they don't be including the buttons, it's just pure screen, but they have that on this, so I love that. Plugs up here, Ram badging right there, very clean. Alpine system throughout the entire vehicle, very impressive sound system. Got our dial right here for music, obviously the tune. If you go into here, traction control, you can turn that on and off. Our tow haul, parking rear and front. If you look down here, USB-C ports. This right here, this center console is actually really impressive, lots of space. Push that guy back and then you have all that storage right there, which is very impressive. Pull it all the way back. If you open this guy right here, more storage below. Tons of storage. They really didn't cheap out on that. You can open up this, it adds a second one if you want to throw your keys or whatever it may be in there. Check up here, rear view mirror. Got our light switches, our assist button, the camera focus is here. Perfect. Road assist. These are the rear, right here. If you click that button, it opens up the rear there. Close it like that. Boom. More of our buttons up here for the lights, garage control in there. Yeah, overall, very impressed with this interior of this truck. Let's show you into the back side here. Tons of space. Look at that crew cab in the back. Wow, that is a lot of space. You know, Ford really tries to pride themselves in these super crew cabs, but I'll be honest, Ram has been killing the game lately with, look at that side. Like, you can fit a lot of people back there, tall people, tons of room, great for road trips. You can see the console back here. It's not carbon fiber, but it kind of has that little bit of a pattern. Really cool. I do like it. Adds a little more luxury to truck. Got our cup holders right here, of course. More USB-C ports right there. Vents, so your passengers in the back can get some nice airflow and heat. You can pull this guy down right here. More cup holders. Like I said, the leather on these seats are very impressive, very high end. Do love it a lot. Then our all-weather mats, once again, throughout the entire vehicle, very impressive mats. They are heavy duty. They did not cheap out on that. And you know, overall, for a truck that's in the 70-80K range, this has to be one of the best on the market. It's as close to a TRX as you might get it. Very impressive in size, in the interior, and luxury as well. All the door panelings, our Alpine sound system there. And under these mats are extra storage as well, so you can store more things in there, which is cool. Love that. Let's pop the trunk, sorry, the hood. Let's pop the hood there. Close that up. Hopefully I don't need two hands to do this. Got it right there, boom. There she is. Your 395 horsepower, V8, 5.7 liter monster. Take a look inside the engine there while it's running. Very impressive truck. Look at that. So clean, very gorgeous. Love the black accents again throughout the inside of the inside of the hood, inside of the truck here. Keeping that theme throughout the vehicle. This is a vehicle you want to take a look at. See it in person, you got to drive it, get a feel for it, a feel like how I had today. I was pretty blown away, very impressive. This truck is, you know, I give it a solid 8, 9 out of 10. It's not really missing much. Close that up just like that, very easy. You know, the only thing I'd really say about this truck that would give it that 10 out of 10 is that you don't get the sunroof. The camera focuses here. Give it a sec. There it is. As you can see, You don't get the sunroof in this vehicle. Ram's having a little bit of an issue right now with their parts. Seems like a lot of these trucks are not coming with sunroofs, obviously due to the whole COVID situation, and the world was shut down, so parts being behind in the car industry. But nevertheless, it's a beautiful truck. Let's make our way over to the passenger side. Gorgeous, same theme throughout the whole vehicle. We've got our Rebel right there. Love it. Very clean. Just like that. Opens up, which is kind of cool. Close it just like that. More storage. Our vents, as well as the Rebel stitching throughout the vehicle. Little Dodge logo right there. Very nice. And we do have a little Ram logo right here in the corner, running up the vehicle as well. So that concludes our video today, our review of this 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel in the Hydra Blue. I want to know what you guys think about this truck, what you think about the video. We love hearing your feedback to keep building this channel and give you guys more car reviews. I give this truck a solid 8, maybe 9 out of 10. Like I said, if they had the panoramic roof, sunroof, like I'm a big fan of those in vehicles, so maybe it would bump it up to a 10. But this is the best bang for your buck that you're gonna get on a truck, and I hope one of you guys that's looking into a truck considers something like this. Come down and see it in person. It's a totally different experience, and you guys want to experience that in person. There's only so much I can show you through a lens, but I do hope that it showed you enough, give you enough information. I'll add more information about this vehicle in the description. And like I said, we're gonna be making videos every week, reviewing all our brand new trucks, cars, SUVs, you name it. And you know, I'd love to hear your feedback. Leave that like, comment, subscribe, please. Helps us grow, and catch you in the next one.